Welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, we are going to look at how we can handle this particular problem that is on the board. This problem is a polynomial problem, right? That has been transformed into a word problem system so that we transform it back to mathematical equations and solve. Wow, that is interesting. So let's look at how we can do this in here. Okay, so this is the problem. They said the function, the polynomial function, right, over here, f of x is equal to ax cubed minus s squared minus 5x plus b, where a and b are constant. We understand that the function, the polynomial function, has been divided by x minus 2. Okay, so x minus 2. And the remainder is 36. Okay, so this polynomial has been divided by x minus 2, meaning x minus 2 is a factor to this polynomial function. So that is x minus 2 is equal to 0. So that means if when we substitute x minus 2 equals 0, meaning when x is equals 2 into this polynomial function, the result will be 0. Okay, and the remainder is 36. So here we say x equals 2, right? So we substitute this into this, then we equate this result to 36. Okay, so we have a into 2 cubed minus 2 squared minus 5 into 2 plus b equals the remainder, which is 36. Okay, so we have this. Let's simplify this. So this is going to be 8a minus 4 minus 10 plus b equals 36, right? So this, when you simplify it, you're going to have 8a plus b minus 14 equals 36, right? So basically, we're going to have 8a plus b equals, this moves to this side and we have 50. So this becomes our equation 1. So that is equation 1 obtained from this preamble. Okay. And then it went ahead to say that the remainder is, okay, and when the divide, when divided by s plus 2, right? When this polynomial function is divided by s plus 2 again, okay, that means s plus 2 again equals 0. If this is divided by s, this thing is divided by s plus 2, then the remainder is 40. So the same ideology again. So we substitute, meaning x equals negative 2. So we substitute negative 2 into this polynomial function. Okay, so that is going to give us a into negative 2 cubed minus 2 squared minus 5 into negative 2 plus b equals the remainder, which is 40. Okay, so we simplify this. Negative 2 cubed becomes negative 8. So negative 8a minus into 4 minus, so that becomes plus 10 plus b equals 40. Okay, so we have this here. So we have minus 8a plus b minus 4 plus 10 equals 40, right? So here we're going to have minus 8a plus b minus 4 plus 10, that becomes plus 10 equals 40, right? So basically you're going to have minus 8a plus b equals 40 minus 36, and that is 34. Great. So this basically becomes equation 2. Okay, so once we have equation 2 and equation 1 and equation 2, we can solve them simultaneously. Okay, so we solve this simultaneously, then we can obtain the values of a and b respectively. So solving 1 and 2 simultaneously, we can apply substitution, we can apply elimination, but here elimination is going to make the work so much easy. Okay, so let's add equation 1 and equation 2, right? So when we do that, then we're going to have 8a plus b equals 50, right? So this is our equation 1, right? Then we add it to equation 2, 8a plus b equals 34. Okay, so we are adding these two. Okay, so 8a plus minus 8a becomes 0. So that part goes off. So we have 0 here, plus b becomes 2b. And that is equal to 50 plus 34 is 84, right? So we have 84 here. And that is basically going to give us 2b equals 84. So this basically tells us that our b will be equal to 84 over 2. So basically our b is 42. Wow. So that is the value of b obtained as 42. So now let's substitute the value of b into any of the equations and obtain. Okay, so we substitute the value of b, which is equal to 42, into equation 1. So equation 1, which is 8a plus b equals 50, right? So basically you're going to have 8a plus 42 equals 50, right? So we have our 8a equals 8. So basically 8a here, so we have 8 here, 8 here, right? So this implies that our a is positive 1. That's the value of a equals 1 and b equals 42, respectively. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your mates, and I'll give you more updates. Bye-bye.